এটি শুধু একটি ফাউন্টেন নয়, এটি কুয়ালালামপুরের হার্টবিট। 1999 সালে প্যাভিলিয়ন মলের সামনে এই ফাউন্টেনের সৃষ্টি। আমরা হয়তো এখানে অনেকেই আসি, এই ফাউন্টেন দেখি, ছবি তুলি, ভিডিও করি, কিন্তু হয়তো বা অনেকেই এর নাম পর্যন্ত জানি না। সো হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি আছি নিউয়ার জানান, আপনাদের সাথে জানাবো এই ফাউন্টেন সম্পর্কে। সো চলুন আর দেরি না করে আজকের ভিডিও শুরু করি।
Its full name is Pavilion Crystal Fountain. Stands proudly at the main entrance of Pavilion Kuala Lumpur, right along Jaanan Bukit Bintang, the beating heart of Kuala Lumpur's Golden Triangle. This fountain was officially inaugurated on my birthday, but the year was 1999. Why its name is Pavilion Crystal Fountain? The name Pavilion Crystal Fountain was given for two main reasons. The first part, Pavilion, comes from the name of the shopping mall Pavilion Kuala Lumpur, where the fountain is located. And the second part, Crystal Fountain, comes from its design. It is made of colorful lily crystals that sparkle beautifully under the light. This is the tallest lily crystal fountain in Malaysia. Its design features the hibiscus, the Malaysia's national flower. This is Malaysia's most sophisticated and state-of-art crystal fountain. Each tire of the fountain is adorned with shimmering crystal glass. The crystal blows were crafted in Shanghai, China. UNESCO has recognized it as a national landmark. At night, the fountain's splendor multiplies even more. Every day, thousands of people visit, yet few know that each tire symbolizes Malaysia's cultural heritage. The first tire represents Malaysia's natural resources, earth, water, and forests. The second tire unites Malaysia's multicultural population as one. And the third tire symbolizes Malaysia's unity and peace. Each drop of water in this fountain seems to tell the story of nation. In this way, it's beautifully displayed in front of Pavilion Mall, yet it conceals deep meaning within. Around this fountain, taking a snap preserves the memories of Kuala Lumpur and Bukit Bintang. Local believes that if you stand here, make a wish, and toss a coin into the fountain's water, your wish will come true. It's not just a fountain, it's a masterpiece of architectural art. Every day, a musical fountain show takes place here. Tourists often use it as a popular meeting point. Standing here, it feels as if time itself comes to a standstill. It's not just a tourist spot, it's the heartbeat of the city. The sound of water splashing creates a natural symphony. Under the shiny crystals, the city's heart keeps beating.